If you want concrete that looks better than new, is customizable, and lasts for years, most would say that's impossible. We call it Vuba stone. To ensure things last, we have to begin with the soil. Concrete is left unsupported when the soils beneath soften, wash away, shrink, or compress. That's why Vuba stone starts with polylevel, to restore strength from below, lifting slabs and stabilizing the soil so it has a solid foundation for the long term. Next, Nexus Pro seals cracks and joints to keep water out, protecting both the slab and the soil beneath. Finally, the surface. Vuba stone transforms your concrete into something that's better than brand new. It doesn't rely only on the old concrete for strength. Instead, it wraps the slab like a protective shell. Crushed angular marble and quartz are installed to tightly lock together for exceptional durability, while a UV-resistant resin binder and structural mesh provide flexibility and strength where it's needed most, supporting up to 30,000 pounds. Vuba stone's permeable design helps keep water from pooling or being trapped at the surface. And in areas where that water can freeze, Vuba stone leaves enough space for frozen water to expand out and away, rather than causing damage from being trapped below. Every color you see in Vuba stone is naturally occurring, so it won't fade or wear away. We know even the best product means nothing without a great installation, which is why our installers are experts, from prep to mixing to application and all the details in between that ensure your surface looks amazing and performs for years to come. Whether your project started by fixing a problem or you just wanted a fresh new look, Vuba stone gives your concrete a surface that looks incredible. Vuba stone, better than brand new.